best time of the year for me is when it's time to seed for the garden. Okay, and it's really it's not, it looks easy, but it's an art. Of course, this potting mix is not the best. You see, it has a lot of big chips, but it will work. But the purpose of this video that I'm showing is to show you how you fill it properly. And the best way to know that you filled it properly is when you are making the dents for the seeds, and when you're pressing, you can feel with your finger which one is harder because it was filled too much, and see, like this one is little, whereas these two are harder, and which one are filled too little. So with practice, you'll get better at it, and I want you to focus on the edges, because with my experience, see how very little this has in it. When you press with the same pressure, how much it went inside, my finger went deep, and that is my experience. I want you to focus on the edges, because it seems like the middle always get the decent amount. Focus on the edges. So that's what I would consider a completed tray, flat, ready to seed. And then afterward, I put a couple of handfuls in here in the center, and I spread them out.